Hey everyone, I'm putting this video together to show how I'm making a few moves to flip crypto. Right now is a textbook opportunity and wanted to line it out for you so you can spot these trends before even I do, and if you miss them, I'll post these gems on my Twitter in real time. In this flip, I filmed along the way why I made these moves that I did, and this is the first part of that, and in a few days or weeks, I'm going to show the second part from buy all the way to sell. And in this case, the tactic I use is following Bitcoin's performance as an indicator for other token future performance. And this is not financial advice, guys. This is just my opinion and how I'm looking at things, and hopefully it furthers your education. Now, when you're looking at the past 3 months of Terra, what you can see is the price rose, and then dipped. Now let's jump over to Bitcoin's price. In the past 3 months, we kind of saw the same pattern, rise, and dip. And what I mean by following Bitcoin as an indicator is look at Bitcoin over the past month. You can see how it rises and then dips. Now let's look at Terra over the past month. Same general flow. Terra rises and then dips. Now let's go back into the Bitcoin, because what I want to look at is this primary rise where it reaches the top at about 405, and Bitcoin reaches its top well beforehand. What you look at is Bitcoin is kind of the leader. It shows the path of what's going to happen. So Bitcoin jumps up and then other markets follow. So let's zoom in for the past 7 days to see what's going to happen. Over the past 7 days, Bitcoin has dropped down, had a little random pump, and now is going back up. Terra dropped down, had a little random pump, and is still going down. What my prediction is that I can buy a little bit at this $80 mark and flip around 88 for a 10% gain. I'm going to post the buy, what that looks like, and the sell. This today is April 15th, and I'll post again when I make that 10% return. One additive thing that I'm thinking of right now in this moment while I'm making this trade is crypto is volatile right now. It's jumping up and down. A lot of cryptos right now are oscillating a lot, and there's the potential that this drops down back to this $50 range. I don't think that it will, but if it does, I'm not going to put all of my coins right now, everything I have in crypto into this. I'm only going to put a little bit, and I'm going to dollar cost average on the way down, but I think it's a good point to jump in, and I'm going to assume selling the entire amount that I own if I get to 88, because I think the market will go back down. But I'm not sticking to that as a guarantee. I'm going to watch the market, and we're going to see what we end up doing. But for right now, I think this is a safe buy. All right, guys, so it doesn't always work out like this, but in this case, it's just a few days later, and we're already back up a little over 10% from when I officially made the buy. So this is kind of running up a little bit right now. I'm going to go ahead and sell it after this video, but that's a nice quick 10% gain in just a couple of days by following that strategy that we talked about a few days ago. Quick and easy, something that, again, doesn't always work out this way because there's a million things that could have happened. There could have been a huge announcement that tanked the price, and then at that point, we would have went and bought more. But you don't want to fully trust a strategy like this, even if you see these kind of results. You just kind of take the wins and accept the gains. And if you are consistently selling for a gain, then you're always going to be earning money. And that's what's important in crypto. As soon as you start losing, those counteract your gains and make it much trickier. Where we bought was right here at the bottom, just bought right at sub 80, and then we're able to sell right now for up close to 90. We're going to get a little over 10% minus fees. We'll just call it 10% gain. We're going to mark this one down as a big win. Make sure you guys follow me. I posted that I was buying this on Twitter at the exact moment that I was. Please follow my Twitter. That's when we'll be posting certain buys like this. And I'm going to mention too the amount of my portfolio that I'm putting into certain coins and tokens, things like that. This is a nice win for us. I'm going to go ahead and sell this off, take the wins, follow me on Twitter, and again, subscribe on YouTube so that you guys can continuously learn so that you can earn even more. Until next time, peace out, guppies.